Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy here, and today's video is going to be a really simple Valentine's Day makeup look. If you didn't know, back in the day, I actually started my YouTube channel doing makeup tutorials, so this was a lot of fun just kind of doing a tutorial. I haven't done this in literally forever. So today's makeup look is just a really simple pink eye look and then a nude lip. I think this is perfect if you just want to have this makeup look throughout the day, and then if you're going on a date or something fun at night, it's just really versatile and perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up real quick. Just keep on watching to see how you can get this really simple Valentine's Day makeup look. My camera died and I'm kind of frazzled as to where I was. I think I just did my eyebrows and we have lipstick left. So of course it had to die right when I was almost done with the video. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed at all, of course subscribe. If you watched this far and you don't subscribe, you are a terrible person. Also, be sure to comment down below what you'll be doing this Valentine's Day. I will probably just be watching movies in my room by myself, but it's all good. And I'll also have all my social media linked down below, so you can follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. But I think that's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.